And we need to recognise that and then do something with it.
So would it be fair to say that lots of us have similar experiences,
Yes.
but how we respond to that experience varies quite dramatically based on your internal dialogue and the knowledge and information that you have to enable you to navigate around those tricky, difficult situations.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
So I'm going to ask you a personal question.
Oh, okay.
So one is, how young are you? And secondly, at your tender age, why do you still keep learning and persevering and doing new things where lots of people at your age go to what I call the slaughter yard, which
Oh,
is
my Lord.
which is the retirement
Oh,
bucket.
no. Wow. Okay, so my tender age is 65. Somebody told me I looked 50 the other day. I'm not so sure about that, but I'm 65. And I've got at least another 30 years. At least. I know that. Probably more.
Let me ask you a question, because 30 years is just a number.
Yes.
But is it a length of time, or is it a quality length of time? Because there's a big difference between living another 30 years and living another 30 years vibrant, healthy, with the finances that you need and doing all the things you want to. Because we go to hospitals, we go to nursing homes, and most of the people that are there are frail, can't move, can't talk. So their quality of life isn't great. So what do you mean by another 30 years? Because 30 years is just a number.
Vibrant. And time is a made-up construct. So for me, from now until whenever, it will be a vibrant life. Has to be. And my mission isn't finished. My mission's almost only just started. You know, if you go on the age of life, I'm only 2/3 of the way through. Why would I stop doing what I love doing, which is helping others to self-master their lives?